Do you want a home that sparkles without all the chemicals? Imagine cleaning your kitchen, bathroom, and even your windows using only simple, natural ingredients and getting better results than with store-bought brand. Today I'm revealing DIY natural cleaners that actually work wonders. And honestly, some of these will blow your mind. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share my secret recipe for a natural cleaner so powerful it cleaned this in just minutes. First, let's meet our cleaning superheroes. You might already have them sitting in your pantry. Baking soda, the ultimate scrubber and deodorizer. White vinegar, nature's disinfectant and stain buster. Lemon juice, degreaser and antibacterial superstar. Castile soap, a gentle all-purpose cleaner. Essential oils, not just for scent, they boost cleaning power too. This cleaner is so effective, it feels almost unfair. Here's what you need. 1/2 cup white vinegar, 2 cups water, 1 tablespoon Castile soap, 10 drops lemon essential oil. Instruction: mix all ingredients in a spray bottle. Shake gently. Spray on countertops, appliances, even glass. Always spot test vinegar solutions on stone surfaces. It can etch natural stone like marble. Tired of fighting stubborn grime and soap scum? Here's your natural secret weapon. 1/2 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of Castile soap, 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide, and 5 drops of tea tree oil. Instructions: stir into a thick paste. Apply with a sponge or brush. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Scrub and rinse. If you hate streaky mirrors, this one is a game changer. All you need is 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 2 cups of warm water. Instruction: mix and shake thoroughly. Spray directly onto glass, wipe with a microfiber cloth for a dazzling. And now, my holy grail natural cleaner. This is my secret recipe I swear by, especially for tough kitchen messes. Super degreaser formula: 1/2 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 10 drops of orange essential oil, 1 tablespoon of Castile soap, and 2 cups of hot water. Instruction: carefully combine vinegar and baking soda. It will fizz. Add soap, oil, and water. Spray on greasy surfaces like oven doors, stovetops, even BBQ grill. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Wipe clean. The results are so satisfying you'll want to clean everything. So now that you've unlocked the secrets of natural cleaning, which recipe are you dying to try first? Comment down below. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural living hacks, and share this with a friend who needs a little cleaning inspiration. Thanks for watching. Stay sparkly and natural. See you next time.